But the eye's blind.
Do it.
Wanna see my birds?
Hey!
What? Who's laughing now?
I'm too gorgeous. I'm just spitting image of God. Estrogen.
You better run!
I don't think my father loves me anymore.
I have no love.
Could you please just explain some of the birds?
Okay. What we have here. We got show budgies here. Here the canaries. Up, dickhead. Here. The canaries. They're called farm canaries. Not me, the birds! These canaries are called concrete canaries. They're the concrete canaries. Come. We got a biracial couple here. Here. These are called lovebirds. Because all they do in life is... well, I don't know. Look at them. That's what they be doing. In a cage where they belong. Locked up like the animals they are. I don't want them running around. Look at their shit fucking legs. Next we got these lovebirds. These lovebirds are called Sophia and Meckel. And look, they're drinking period blood. Yeah. My estrogen comes around twice a week. Just discharges into the birds. They get their... Look, they get their irons. Next, what we got here. This is my friend Casper. He's still there. This is my friend. He's an African grey parrot. His name is Casper. Do you see him? This is
No.
Hey! It's Casper.
Where, bro? There's bugs and shit,
There's
man.
no... That's Casper. He's happy.
The weight's down, man.
I'll put you down.
Alright,
Fucking
get
horse.
more birds, bro.
Okay. This is my friend Pistachio. He knows what he's doing. He's been around town.
Calm them the fuck down.
Hey, Pistachio. Pistachio.
Okay, some more birds.
We got the orange canaries. This one only has one leg. The other one's... No smoking. They've been in the Paralympics. This is where I belong. Down here. Rule number 1. The Holman misting system features compression fittings. Don't mind that.
The way to achieve this result is to use Holman misting tube cutter. This ensures a clean square cut in a very quick to use. Once the tube is cut in the compression fitting, it is simply installed. Bring the two parts together, level and straight. Misting jet, misting tube, misting jet. The tube should enter the fitting at least 10 millimeters. Once tubing is installed, it cannot be removed from the elbow T or joiner. Misting system assembly and installation. Installing the misting system.
Hey, mate, I don't care.
I don't care! How? Where are you? You what? You what? You are no guy!
Just leave me be! Please go! Fuck, man, I'm sorry! Scary fuck, bro, get out!
I do not appreciate it.
Let's go back to yours. And then chill at yours and then